flower 26, we're going to repeat a lot of elements and create this cute little flower. So with stamp 26 selected, I'm going to add a new layer, and that's really tiny, so we'll make it bigger and stamp that right down. If you want to adjust the angle, tap your arrow tool and use this green dot to adjust it as you wish. So first, let's add those hearts inside each petal. So I am going to add a new layer. I'm gonna grab a brighter pink color and heart stamp number 3. So I'll scroll all the way down to my hearts and grab stamp number 3. I will stamp that down. That's actually a fairly good size. So I will maybe make it just a little smaller using the arrow tool and rotate it. And we want it to be the exact same size. Actually, I wanna bring that over just a little. So let's just swipe left and duplicate, and then we can just rotate it and add it to each new layer. So again, swipe left, duplicate, keep using the rotate tool to adjust the angle, swipe left, duplicate, and just repeat that until you have a heart in every petal. And now, because those are fairly similar elements, we want those just to keep it organized. Let's keep them all on the same layer. So we'll just pinch those together, so all our hearts. And a lot of times when I'm working on bigger projects, I will name every layer just to keep myself nice and organized. Now we want to add some extra elements in the center here. So let's grab a light yellow color, and I used flower number 27, and I just stamped that right in the middle. I think I'm gonna use it even lighter yellow so it stands out more. And then I used the same flower and made it a really small size, and within each petal, I did a blue stamp. Now just grab your monoline brush and white, and then add, that's really big, so we'll make it smaller. I added a small white dot between each of those. And finally, we just need to add the little teardrop shapes. And for that, I actually used, this teal color, and I used leaf number 3. So I'll scroll down to leaf number 3, add a new layer, and now I'll grab my selection tool, adjust the angle and the size, and then just like with the hearts, we're gonna swipe left, duplicate, and start moving each one of these into place until we've got them around our whole flower. And for this one, I opted to do it all the way around and not do a stem. One more time, swipe left, duplicate, use our arrow tool and rotation to get it into place. And now our flower is complete. We can either group them like we did in yesterday's video, or we can pinch to get them all on one layer.